In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload receipts in Xero. If you're managing expenses or preparing for month end, keeping your receipts in Xero is a simple way to stay organized and ready for reconciliation. I'll walk you through the exact flow so you can confidently get your documents into the right place without any confusion. First, open your web browser and go to Xero's sign-in page. Log into your account as you normally would. Make sure you have your receipts saved on your computer beforehand. PDFs or clear images like JPGs and PNGs work best. If you're scanning paper receipts, try to capture the full page, keep the image in focus, and avoid shadows so the details are legible. Once you're in Xero, head to the company menu. You'll find this at the top of the screen, usually showing your organization's name. Click that name to open the drop-down. This menu is where Xero keeps key organization-wide tools and settings you might need from time to time. From that drop-down, click on Files. Files is your central library inside Xero, a safe place to store documents like receipts, invoices, and statements. Anything you upload here can later be attached to transactions, bills, or expense claims, which makes matching documents during reconciliation much faster. Inside the Files page, look for the Upload option. You can either click the Upload button and select your files from your computer, or simply drag and drop your receipts right into the window. If you have several receipts, you can select multiple files at once to save time. Xero accepts common formats, but it's a good idea to keep file sizes reasonable and file names descriptive, such as the vendor and date, so they're easier to find later. As the files upload, you'll see a progress indicator. When they're finished, they'll appear in your library. Take a quick look to confirm each receipt is clear and complete. If you need to, you can rename a file by clicking into it and updating the title so it's more searchable. If you notice a duplicate, delete the extra copy to keep the library tidy. That's all there is to it. Go to Xero, open the company menu, click Files, then upload or drag in your receipts. With your documents safely stored in Xero, you can attach them to the relevant transactions whenever you're ready, making your bookkeeping cleaner, faster, and easier to audit.